Hello, today's topic?
In restaurant.
Welcome to our restaurant. Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't. Is that a problem?
Not at all. We have plenty of available tables.
Great, thank you. Can we see the menu?
Of course, here you go. Take your time to decide.
Everything looks delicious. What do you recommend?
Our specialty is the grilled salmon.
That sounds wonderful. I'll have that.
And for you?
I'll have the steak, please.
How would you like your steak cooked?
Medium, rare, please.
Got it. Would you like any sides with that?
Mashed potatoes, please.
Excellent choice. Anything to drink?
I'll have a glass of red wine.
And for you?
I'll have a beer, please.
Sure thing. I'll be right back with your drinks.
Thank you. This place has a lovely ambience.
Here are your drinks. Are you ready to order?
Yes, we're ready. Can we have some bread as well?
Of course, I'll bring some fresh bread right away.
Thank you. We're looking forward to our meal.
Enjoy your dinner.
Vocabulary.
Restaurant. Reservation. Problem. Table. Menu. Delicious. Recommend. Grilled. Salmon. Steak. Cook. Medium rare. Mashed. Potato. Drink. Wine. Beer. Bread. Fresh. Meal.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.